Hello, I'm gonna teach you how to wash your clothes through hand wash. So first you have to fill a basin with water. You have to get the clothing that you're gonna wash and put it inside. And just make it a little wet. Then after that, you're gonna dispose the water. Then after that, you need to fill this up again and fill it up with soap. You have to move the water around to mix this up. Put your clothing inside. Turn it inside out. Then wash it like this. You have to go around it. After that, you need to squeeze the piece of clothing and remove the water. And you rinse the basin to get all the soap out. Fill it with water and then do the same with the piece of clothing. And then open the whole part, dip it inside, then fill it and squeeze it. And then you have to repeat the step 3 more times. You have to keep rinsing it until there's no more soap. After that, you have to get a hanger, hang it. Yeah, hang it where the sun. Thanks for watching. I hope you like it. Bye.